Hello gorgeous people, my name is Sukanya. Welcome back to my channel. The weather in Pune is quite humid nowadays, so I'm here with an effective skincare routine to keep our skin healthy in this climate. The monsoon season brings some relief from the heat, but the increased humidity can cause a range of skin problems like excessive oiliness, which I'm facing right now, which will lead to clogged pores, skin dullness and acne breakouts. And I can already see that my skin has become a little dull lately, especially around the eye areas. You know, that natural glow is kind of gone. So, using an organic rose petal powder face pack, especially at this time, can help us maintain clear, healthy and refreshed skin naturally. I absolutely love natural, herbal and organic skincare products and also support all small Indian brands. So let me introduce you to Riya Organics. Riya Organics is a small brand that makes all kinds of natural and organic face packs for kids and adults. They also make aloe vera gels, henna powder, flaxseed mix and some other very healthy and nutritious edible products as well. I will leave their Instagram link below in the description, so do not forget to check out their catalog. So with that, let us get into the making of this 100% organic rose petal powder face pack. First, we need a small glass bowl, a small wooden spoon and a face pack brush. I take a small quantity of the rose petal powder face pack in a bowl and pour some water into it. Mix it well and make a thick paste. Since I am struggling with excess oil production on my skin, I will mix only water in today's face pack recipe. However, if you have dry or sensitive skin, then you can mix milk or curd, which will keep your skin well moisturized and more hydrated. Apply an even layer of the face pack on your skin and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Rose petal powder, made from the original and naturally dried and crushed rose petals, is a natural beauty ingredient known for its soothing and rejuvenating properties. When used as a face pack, it offers multiple skin benefits suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive and mature skin. One of the primary benefits of a rose petal powder face pack is its cooling and anti-inflammatory effects. It helps calm irritated skin, reduce redness and soothe conditions like acne or rashes. This makes it ideal for those struggling with breakouts or skin inflammation. Rich in antioxidants, rose petal powder fights free radicals and delays the signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Its natural astringent properties help tighten pores and tone the skin without stripping away natural oils, making it suitable even for dry or sensitive skin. It helps lock moisture into the skin, keeping it soft and hydrated. Regular use of rose petal powder face pack, which is once every week, can improve skin texture and restore a natural glow. Additionally, rose petal powder has mild antibacterial properties that help prevent acne and skin infections, promoting clearer skin over time. Its pleasant natural fragrance also provides an aromatherapeutic effect, helping relax the mind and reduce stress. A rose petal powder face pack is a gentle yet powerful addition to any skincare routine. It hydrates, tones, soothes and revitalizes the skin naturally, offering a spa-like experience at home with the timeless goodness of roses. While rinsing the face, thanks to its gentle exfoliating action, it removes dead skin cells, dirt and excess oil, resulting in a brighter, smoother complexion. When combined with ingredients like yogurt, honey or milk, it becomes even more nourishing and effective. After rinsing my face, I gently pat my face dry a little but not completely. I am leaving my skin a little damp. Just look at my skin. It's so clear and glowing already. So now on my damp skin, I'll be applying this 100% natural rose water toner for skin hydration by the brand Indus Valley. Now this is a 100% organic steam distilled rose water toner. We get 250 ml rose water for Rs 299 only. I simply spray the rose water toner on my face directly and gently press it into my skin for better absorption and leave it for a couple of minutes to dry on its own. It balances and restores skin pH levels and helps to tighten pores. So now, since we need to control the excess oil production from the skin due to this humid climate, I'm going in with a gel-based moisturizer. I am in love with this Papaya Clean Anti-Blemish Gel by Oher Herbals. Have a closer look at the product. It hydrates the skin, reduces pigmentation, lightens skin blemishes, and enhances skin complexion. It is enriched with papaya and daisy flower extract. Let me show you all the consistency of this product on the back of my hand. Just look at this beautiful orange color and this gel consistency. It feels so soothing and amazing. It also smells great. There is a scent of papaya here. Just look at it. My skin feels and looks super healthy and well nourished, yet non-sticky to touch. It's an amazing product. I absolutely love this gel moisturizer. So now let's get into the application. This light oil-free gel is especially formulated with natural ingredients like papaya extract, daisy flowers and pineapple extract to hydrate the skin, remove and reduce skin pigmentations, enhance and brighten the skin complexion, and control sebum production. It is suitable for all skin types. Papaya is rich in vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants that help improve our skin tone, texture, and overall skin health. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help calm acne-prone skin and also help prevent clogged pores and breakouts while soothing irritated areas and reducing redness. Just look at my skin. It quickly gets absorbed into the skin and you're left with this naturally glowing and well hydrated skin. It is moisturized, still very non-sticky to touch. I absolutely love this moisturizer. Use it consistently, like almost twice a day, and you will see skin brightening effects within a month. Lastly, I'm going to use this lip balm by Rose Petal in strawberry flavor with SPF 15. Just look at this cute lip balm packaging. We get 10 ml of lip balm for only ₹45. It hydrates and protects the lips. It smells and tastes delicious. That's it, I'm ready with my juicy lips. So this is it for my skincare routine today. I'm really happy with my skin. It is glowing, it's hydrated, and also it's going to control the excess oil production, the concern that I was facing lately. Now, I do not like layering up way too many products on my skin at a time, as they end up mixing different products and their different ingredients, which is not really beneficial for our skin. So this was my very minimalistic and effective skincare routine, especially designed for this humid climate or monsoon seasons. I started with this amazing organic rose petal powder face pack. Then I used this 100% natural steam distilled rose water toner, followed by this Papaya Clean Anti-Blemish Gel Moisturizer, and lastly finished my skincare routine with this amazing strawberry lip balm with SPF 15. My skin definitely feels well hydrated, plump, and very well nourished. That dullness that I had in the starting of the video is literally gone. I can feel that my skin is really very clear, fresh, and glowing. All with natural skincare products. If you love this kind of sweet, simple, yet very effective skincare routine and all kinds of self-care routines, then please subscribe to my channel. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and also learned from it. If that's the case, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also share it with other skincare enthusiasts. Please connect with me on my other social media handles and also comment below your honest feedback on my video. Also, please comment below and let me know if you prefer a minimal yet effective skincare routine with like 4 to 6 steps and products, or if you enjoy watching videos explaining detailed skincare routines and self-care routines with like almost more than 10 steps or skincare products. I need to know that, so please let me know in the comments. With that, alright, bye bye gorgeous people. I'll see you all in my next video.